In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to Shopify Sense theme. Adding a custom font to the Sense theme works much like other Shopify themes, with a couple of small quirks to watch out for. By the end, you'll have your font loading efficiently and appearing exactly where you want it. Start by getting your font files ready. For the web, the preferred format is EF2. with .woff as a solid fallback. If you only have .ttf or OTF, convert them using a reputable online converter. Also, make sure you have the correct license to use the font on a public website, especially for commercial use. To keep things organized, name files clearly and consistently. And if you have multiple weights or styles, keep separate files for each. Next, upload the font files. The simplest option is through Shopify Admin. Go to Content or Files, upload your .woff2 and .woff files, and Shopify will generate public URLs for them. You can also place the files in your theme's Assets folder if you prefer working in code. The only difference is how you'll reference the files in CSS. Now add the font face declaration. Open your theme editor, choose Edit Code, and look in the Assets folder for a CSS file such as base.css or theme.css. Some Sense setups also offer a custom CSS setting that works too. Create an @font face block that sets font family to a clear name like My Custom Font, and set src to your files. If the files are in Assets, reference them with URL My Custom Font .woff2 an asset URL. Format .woff2 followed by a WOFF fallback. If you uploaded through files, use file .url instead of asset URL. Include font display, swap to improve perceived loading, and match font weight and font style to the specific file. If you have bold or italic variants, add separate @font face blocks for each weight and style. Apply the font to the parts of your site that need it. For broad coverage, set the body to font family, My Custom Font, with sensible fallbacks like System UI or sans serif. For headings, you can target H1 through H6 if you want a different look. If existing styles in Sense are overriding your rules, add a more specific selector or use Important sparingly. Save your changes and test. Hard refresh the page or open it in a private window to bypass cache. Check on desktop and mobile, and look for any typos in file names or mismatched URLs if the font doesn't appear. Prioritize .woff2 for better performance, and confirm everything looks consistent across pages. That's it. Your custom font is now live on the Sense theme.